Okay, Assalamualaikum and greeting you all. Today, our group will present our group project, the Sure Surf Home Maintenance Services. Before we start, let me introduce to our group member. First of all, Wendy anak Philip, Izati Najwa binti Kipli, Maira anak Goldi, Izwan bin Omar, Muhammad Izwandi bin Samsudin, and lastly me, Muhammad Naikuddin bin Abu Suman. First of all, let me start with the problem statement and proposal solution. From the study case we get, there are few problems that we can identify from these study cases. First of all, the problem are no reliable communication platform. Second of all, difficulty in finding maintenance services. Third, lack of customer feedback mechanism. After that, a time-consuming search for the services, and lastly, the difficulty in finding reliable services provider. After that, from the problem we state, our group come up with some proposed solution for the problem. First of all, direct contact filter. This filter can improve our business communication for the customer, provider, and the customer. After that, this also allow maintenance worker to improve their services based on the customer feedback. Customer feedback will take a good lead in this filter. Second solution we identify is we can come up with is service posting filter. This service can help the maintenance worker to update their availability for the services, so the customer will be able to know is the services have or not. This also enable maintenance worker to upgrade their services efficiently. Last but not least, this also help maintenance worker to advertise their services efficiently. The maintenance worker can improve their services, like they can promote their services in social media. So this is our logical design data flow diagram DFD context table. In our DFD, there are four main sections, which is maintenance, application, customer, and administrator. Okay, this is our data flow diagram level 0. Our design divide into 5 subsections. First of all, there is in our design we use 1.0 is log in and register for the customer and maintenance section. For 2.0 advertise, our maintenance provider will use our site to advertise their services to our fellow customer. 3.0 notify, if the customer have booked our services, and our site will notify our maintenance provider via chat. For 4.0 chat, our fellow customer and maintenance provider will be able to contact each other for the services the customer asks. Last but not least, 5.0 complaining. This section will help our fellow customer to address their complaint about the services they just received. After the complaint after that, the complaint will be sent to the administration for viewing, and then the complaint will be sent to complaint file to be saved. This is our data flow diagram level 1. We will explain about the 5.0 complaining. First of all, our customer will fill in the complaint form and required to fulfill the data that needed in the form. After they submit the form, the complaint will be stored and saved in the complaint file. The complaint the complaint that being saved will be checked and sent forward to the administrator for viewing. If the administrator approves the complaint, so our system will notify our customer that their complaint have been received. This based on our data flow diagram, this is one of the crucial part in our project. This part is about customer complaint form.
This complaint form requires the customer to fill in their full name, their email address, their phone number, the reason for their complaint, and then the proof of the complaint. This complaint form is added to our project to help our fellow customer to address their complaint about the services they got. For example, the customer is not satisfied with the maintenance services that our worker just done to their house. After the customer fill up the form, they need to click up the submit button to submit the complaint to our site. After the notification come out, the complaint form is accepted to our site. From this complaint form, we will manage the program that the customer.
Lastly, the crucial data store that we have a complaint file. This data store purpose is to store and manage all related data from customer complaint form and ensure the customer complaint can be stored and collected for the administration review. The store element for the customer complaint form are customer full name, their email address, their phone number, reason for the complaint, and the proof for the complaint they submitted. That I think that's all from our group. Thank you.